Do-It Corporation recently helped Hydrant prepare a merchandising presentation for its rapid hydration mix. Hydrant is relying on a Do-It 284 display strip, a digitally printed 2 MLC16 header, and a metal S-hook to make it convenient for shoppers to find their rapid hydration mix in any store. Do-It display strips make it easy to cross merchandise. The rapid hydration mix can be displayed near related products like bottled water, sports drinks, or even in the pharmacy, encouraging impulse sales. The digitally printed header draws attention to the product, reinforces Hydrant's brand message, and even briefly communicates how to blend the hydration mix. Do-It Corporation delivered this project to Hydrant as a kit that included some assembly. This kit included a 284 display strip, a printed 2 MLC 16 header that was attached to the strip, and a metal S-hook. The S-hook was taped to the back of the header before the items were shipped to Hydrant.